rich, I am that. Girl, don't do that.
Hey sis, hey! So welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Happy Kwanzaa, all the other good stuff. So today I'll be showing you guys our Sis & Co chocolate drop and how we wash it. We're using the Zote detergent soap. Okay, before anybody gets to me, don't get to me because I have nothing to fight you with. This is something that I've been using, well, me and Sam have been using for years to help wash our sponges. We've used Cinema, whatever, what's it called? Cinema Studios, Cinema Max, whatever it's called. No, Cinema Secrets, I believe. We use their wash. And it's just, you're spending so much money on something that's taking forever to clean your sponges, especially for our sis with deeper tones. So like the Cinema Secrets is not like my best favorite one. I've also used the one for beauty blender. Not a fan. I use their soap and the liquid, and it's just a no for me. So after going through various amount of trials and tribulations, we went through using like dish soap too, because Dawn will be like our second hand if we can't find the Zote soap, but we use the Zote soap. So if you have anything to say, leave it in the comments below, because baby girl, once you use this soap, you're gonna be like, ooh, Sav, I should have listened to you a long time ago. Yes, you should have. Okay, so this right here is great. It is great to clean your sponge. Like, it cleans your sponge, it cleans your brushes as well. But the chocolate drop, baby, because sister girl is a little deeper in tones, she removes everything from cream, liquid to powder. Anything left on your sponge or your brushes, the Zote soap removes it all. Like, look how clean this is, y'all. No residue, no nothing left over. Baby, clean as new. Is it clean as new or new as clean? Whatever, baby, but it's clean, okay? So I'm not gonna sit here and ramble the whole time, but you can go ahead and check out a Zote soap from Amazon, or if you want to go to your local like grocery stores, because I know it's like with us, I stay in Miami, so it's like in Bravo, Navarro, whatever. Like, I think Publix too has it, but you could go ahead and check on Amazon to purchase your very own Zote soap. All you need is a small like amount, because it's a big block and you just need a small amount. That small amount is gonna carry you through to clean all your sponges and brushes. I have at least 100 brushes and a lot of sponges, and this helps me save my money, so I don't gotta keep going back to purchase a sponge, because normally I would buy a sponge every week and it's bad. And then especially now that me and Sam started our own chocolate drop line, it gets even worse. So I was like, Sav, you can't be spending your little $20-$15 every time you trying to get a new sponge. You better wash this sponge, girl, okay? So this right here is great for sensitive skin. It cleans out all the dirts, bacterias, every residue that's left in the sponge from the makeup, especially people that just throws their sponges in their bags for like touch-ups, or they just throw it around or travel. This soap right here is the holy grail. It will help you out so much. If you guys want a better detailed video, let me know, but I'm pretty sure that this is detailed enough on how to properly wash your sponge. So go ahead and, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We'll be dropping some new gems soon. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy. watching, I'm quickly squeezing it. I normally do 2 washes, but as I'm washing this sponge probably is a year old. I go ahead and check it again because there's normally some staining from our previous washes or staining from our like makeup that we've tried out. So normally I do another wash, and the goal is to make sure that the soap that you're squeezing out is white. You don't want it to be as brown as it was last time because it showed how much makeup or whatever the item had absorbed. All the makeup, the foundation, the concealer, all of that is absorbed inside the sponge. So I'm just making sure that there's nothing left inside of it. So you're gonna keep seeing me squeeze it and doing another wash. So normally I do 2 washes, but if I have to do 3 to 4 washes, I'll do as much to make sure that the sponge is clean. So as you're gonna see, there's some water dents in there. I'm just squeezing as much as I can, and once it's dried, you're gonna see everything back to its normal color and state, except for our flat bottom sponge that's on the bottom. She's a little deformed because I just threw her in a bag on a suitcase and it just wasn't working. I should have never done that. Please make sure that your sponges are dried before traveling, okay? Like that, we are all done. Our sponges are clean, it is washed, it is fresh, and it is not ready to use. So it took a total of 11 to 12 minutes to wash at least 5 sponges. So we did most sponges, I think I did an average of 2 to 3 washes just to make sure that it is clean. This one is a little deformed, but like I said before, she was thrown in a suitcase while wet, and that was not a smart idea. So I'm doing a final cleanse, like rinse, just to make sure that the detergent, because it is a detergent that people use to wash by hand. So I just want the smell to get out because it has like a smell, like a detergent smell. If you like that smell, that's for you, but for me it's not. So I'm going ahead to like make sure like that final squeeze down that the smell is gone. It's gonna linger, but it's not gonna be as potent as if you just washed your sponges. So the next step to do is just make sure you squeeze out all the excess water. You're gonna grab a paper towel, place all the sponges in that paper towel to squeeze out all the excess water, and let it dry. It should dry in an average of 3 to 4 hours so it could go back to its original size. And like I said before, go ahead and try it. You will love it. Let me know in the comments below if you ever tried this soap to wash your sponges, or what other things that you normally would use to wash your your sponges or your brushes. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We thank you so much, and see y'all next time.